Well, we woke up this morning in Thomas Canyon Campground. Beautiful temperatures. It's nice and cool. The clouds are moving through. This is our view as I circle around. We have the dumpster right there, just far enough away. Our solar setup. 2 picnic tables. And there's a little tent pad area in the back. I can show that in the next video. We have a double camping spot here. So we have lots of space for our little Scamp. She looks so small. But this is a pretty nice setup. And the hood of the Jeep is up because we just had a chipmunk incident. We haven't been able to locate it. He's up in there somewhere. I know, right? Who would have thought? A chipmunk. We talked to the camp host and he said, don't worry about it. It happens all the time. They usually don't cause any damage. So we'll see. But there's our view. And the river is under that bridge right there. So that was our white noise last night we fell asleep to. We just took a little stroll from the parking lot, found this cool flat rock where we're taking a break. We are at Lamoille Canyon and this is our second day. It's Saturday. We got here yesterday, early afternoon, and got settled. Quite an adventure getting here. We'll have to tell that story a little bit later. But today we got out to explore And what we did was we left our campground, Thomas Canyon, and we took the road down to the end where the trailheads are, and that's where we are right now. And it's so beautiful. There are more wildflowers than I have ever seen before in my life. Beautiful wildflowers. There's hardly anybody here. And there's trails that go every which direction. The river is so close. It's like 30 seconds from where we're standing right now. And wow, it's been a great experience so far today. So this is our solar panel and Jackery and Hot Logic setup. Even though it's not sunny right now, we're still generating power. And the Hot Logic has our egg casserole in there for breakfast. Tortillas are inside also heating up. And tucked out of the way here, there is our Jackery. We really like this setup. It's been working well. This is our breakfast casserole going into the burrito using the Hot Logic. Let you know how it tastes. All right, I have to get video because these chipmunks are not leaving us alone. Do you see his little paw on the leash right there? I've been trying to run him off. Go. He's the one that was probably just inside the Jeep a minute ago in the engine. He's like trying to get inside. Our hunter is keeping the chipmunks at bay. They have been very eager to get inside. They know where the door is. Good girl, River.